2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, bed liner, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.